standard, you get these seats. The Nardo grey and these black leather seats with the red stitching is standard. Extra, the carbon fibre inlay, which you see here in the middle and on the door handles. Very nice touch. That's $600 for the carbon fibre. There's an optics package, $900, which you get leather on top of here. You've got the red inside air vents, and the floor mats also come in with that package. And that's it. And then there's a technology package for $3,500, which includes crazy sound system, which we can find there. So take a look at the 2.5 litre TFSI engine, 5-cylinder, 400 horsepower, 354 pound-feet of torque, mated to a 7-speed S-tronic and a quattro all-wheel drive. It's got Audi magnetic ride, progressive steering, both RS tuned. 0 to 60 in like 3.5 seconds. Very quick car, very quick. It's like a baby supercar. Single turbo there, highlighting the 5 cylinders there on the engine bay. It's quite a pretty engine. Yeah, that is basically the heart of the car. It's the best thing about the car. The most, high performance setting where the suspension is stiffened up, quicker throttle response, all that sort of stuff. Comfort's meant to make things a bit more comfortable. It doesn't make that much difference, but it's a bit more compliant on the highway. On these roads around San Francisco, it's still pretty harsh. There's my fuel consumption so far: 13 miles per gallon in done almost 500 miles. So yeah, not the best. And then auto, I guess it switches between whatever setting you think is best depending on the road. Individual, you can set it up how you want. I haven't gone through that yet. So that's that. And then you can use your telephone, but I haven't connected my phone again. And that's it. See if it gets in. In the Audi RS, TTRS. Can you get in there? Hello. And there's a few other things in there as well. That's roomy. Look at that. Now let's see if it closes. No problemo.